would someone please raise a quiet hand, and I would like you to tell me your shoe size and then your favorite number that's between 0 and 22, all right? Oh, look at all these quiet hands, I love this.
Math Generation is a partnership between the Elk Grove Unified School District and the S.D Bechtel Foundation, designed to support the implementation of Common Core state standards in mathematics for grades kindergarten through 8th grade.
So if we just all graph their points, what sort of arrangement do you think might it make? Tell your neighbor in about 3 seconds.
Working with the Sacramento County Office of Education and California State University, Sacramento, the program is training and supporting 220 professional learning community leaders and 1,400 teachers in the Elk Grove Unified School District. Math Generation is a professional development model that encourages the development of teacher content, strategies, and practices that support professional learning communities, or PLCs. This development for teachers consists of high-quality trainings provided by the Math Generation team. The trainings have included topics such as the teaching cycle and computational strategies, as well as other instructional methods that engage students in mathematical discussions.
I had 10 and I had 73 and broke apart 10 and 7 and I added up a 3.
Wow, you broke apart a 10?
In Year 2, the teaching cycle was introduced to all PLC leaders. The cycle models a way of teaching so that students can fully comprehend mathematical rules and problems. The 4 steps of the teaching cycle include guess, figure it out the long way, figure out the shortcut, and determine if the shortcut always works. The emphasis in math instruction shifts from telling the student how to do the math to students understanding the math through problem solving.
5 can't go into 3. 5 days can't go into 3 days. And 4 miles can go.
So you're going to make the same 6 miles every 5 days. So like this, look, 6 miles every.
The professional development provided this past year has also included training on the California Mathematics Framework. The framework recommends a balanced approach to conceptual understanding, procedural fluency, and application calling for an increase in discussion and cooperative work. It requires teachers to do more coaching and facilitating and less telling. This guidance helps to shift teaching practices in order to balance conceptual and procedural understanding, as well as the application of mathematical skills.
Yeah, I think it's proportional because this is 1.5 and 1.5. It would be 10, 40, and then you would get this, and then 40 times 1, you would get that, and then it goes on.
So that you're using the multiplication to help you check your thinking? Nice.
In Year 2, Math Generation participants continued to hone their skills in the strategies known as the Core 4. Choose 3 ways: think, pair, share, starts, and number talks. Teachers received continued support to cultivate, apply, and refine these instructional strategies through Math Generation trainings and during their site-level professional learning community meetings.
All right, what I would like for us to do today is to take some, find some ways that we can practice some math skills that are really fun, really engaging, really entertaining for the kids. Yeah, but what if my principal walks in and I'm playing a game? All of these are more practice for the standards.
Site-based professional learning communities taught 3 big ideas: ensuring that students are learning, a culture of collaboration, and a focus on improving student achievement, where teachers systematically engaged in critical inquiry on the relationship between practice and student learning in an effort to better meet the needs of individual students, as well as inform and improve upon individual and collective practices.
How many people are participating? Who has the loudest voice? How are you being heard? What are the types of things people are saying? How do you affirm what somebody's saying and make them feel validated? So all of those things we're going to try to look for, listen for, and just practice.
The Math Generation team participated in collaborative planning days with the PLC leaders, visiting classrooms, investigating student work and understanding, as well as lesson design.
We decided to have each student contribute a point, and Deb's going to graph them. We're expecting a messy scatter plot.
Classroom observations helped PLC groups learn and understand their students, as well as plan for future lessons. The Math Generation Professional Development Model is based on the research and educational theory of generative change.
Some people love pie. I love math. Math is my dessert.
The program is creating communities of site-based professional practice where the building of knowledge becomes a function of the community and results in the continuous improvement of our students. For more information about Math Generation, please visit blogs.egusd.net/mathgen.